You can also customize your phone to look like this all by yourself without spending a penny. All you need to do is just download 4 applications. Don't be scared, all these 4 applications are less than 200 MB. These applications are namely KWGT Kustom Widget Maker from the Play Store, and Whicons White Icon Pack from the Play Store as well, Evolve KWGT Unique Widgets, and Nova Launcher. So after installing Nova Launcher, you open Nova Launcher, and after opening Nova Launcher for the first time, you can choose to set it up. In my case, I'll just tap on skip setup to skip, and then open Nova Launcher again. So after opening Nova Launcher, there is Nova settings at the top right hand corner. You click and drag it to this place because I'll use the top, then open it. After opening it, you ensure you tap on this not set as default. After that, you set Nova Launcher as default. So after setting Nova Launcher as default, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to change the icons. So we head over to Nova settings, then you scroll to look and feel. So look and feel, you tap on look and feel, then icon style, then icon theme. So after that, you select Whicons, which are the white icons we've downloaded already, and then go to the bottom. In this reshape legacy icons, you turn it off. So what it does is that it removes the background of the icons. So as you can see, we are done with the first stage, which is changing our icons. So after changing the icons, the next thing that we do is we add widgets to our screen. And to get a dark wallpaper, all you do is you snap a dark picture. You block your camera, turn on flash, and then snap a high quality picture, then use it as your wallpaper. So to add widget, you tap and hold on an empty space, and it will give you options to add widgets. These are the widgets that we're going to work with. I'm going to add 2. The remaining ones, you're going to do them yourself. So we now scroll to the bottom. After tapping and holding, you locate Kustom Widget, which is this. So you tap and hold on any and then drag it to the screen. So after that, you resize it to your desired size. We'll be adding the calendar here. So we'll be adding 4 widgets. Then you tap and hold again. You select Kustom Widget. You tap, drag, position it to where you want it, and then resize it. This is for the watch, which is shade. For the calendar is vertical month. So we now add the other one, which is for the motivation. We tap and hold again to add our third widget. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, ensure you like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We add the last one, which is for notification, NML notifications, Kustom Widget. We drag and add as well. So you can add widgets as many as you want, or as many as your screen can hold. So after adding all these widgets, we tap on the calendar widget to edit, then we select vertical. You start typing vertical at the top and you'll see vertical month, which is the widget for the calendar. So you tap to select it. After selecting, you select layer, and then you hit this plus icon to increase the size. Once it fits, you hit the save at the top right hand corner to save your changes. So after that, as you can see, whenever you tap, it opens the widget editor. We don't want that, so we scroll to touch and we select the action, then we delete it at the top right hand corner. So whenever we tap on it, it won't show anything, so it will just be there like an image. So we move to the second one, which is the watch. You tap on the widget as well. These are the names of the widgets. So we tap on the first one, then we select the search, then we start typing shade. Shade is the name of the watch widget. So you start typing shade, and here it is. You select it and do the same. Select layer, increase, hit the plus until it fits. So after that, you hit save at the top right hand corner to effect your changes. These are the names of the remaining 2 widgets, as you can see. So the next thing is to remove the search bar at the bottom. You tap and hold on it, then select widget settings. After that, on the placement, you click on none. So after that, you just go back and voila, it has disappeared. Next is to make our app drawer darker. So you open over settings like this. After opening, you select app drawer. Then on the colors, you select darker color. Grant all the access and play around with the Nova settings. Is actually a fun and nice application. So this empty space right here at the bottom, you fill in with your music widget. If you've enjoyed this video tutorial, ensure you like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.